Okay, now we have arrived at Tokyo Haneda Airport. So I'm just standing right outside the arrival where I left, like have gone through the customs and everything. So when you get out of the arrival, there is an information. On the left hand side there is a small alcove. So you go through that alcove. That's where we go to our hotel, which is Villa Fontaine Grand, right next to the Haneda Airport. So you see, this is the information. This is the small alcove, and then it's assigned to the monorail. Just looking at it, you thought that small alcove is that all, but actually, if you walk through, you can see the monorail here. This is going to the city. So if you walk through this alcove, actually there is a small opening leading to the next area. So this is this area we are going to walk through. Once you walk through this area, you'll see Haneda Airport Garden. So it is quite close, basically quite close to where you arrived on Terminal 3. If you are from Terminal 1 or Terminal 2, then you would probably need a shuttle bus to come over. So we walk towards Haneda Airport Garden. From that point onward, it's just a straight walk. It's very simple. And on the way there, you have some other areas where you take charter buses, and then where if you have parked cars there, where this parking is, and this is Haneda Airport Garden. So I'm arriving quite not really that late, but then because it was a very busy time, so we were at the customs for a very long time. So now you will see most of them, when I walk past them, you'll see most of the shops are closed. But the tunnel or the bridge going to the hotel, which is the Villa Fontaine Grand, is quite direct. And in the meantime, you also see other facilities and stuff. So you see some display of merchandise, and then you see, this pretty nice kind of merchandise display. Sorry about the lighting, because the light panel next to me here, this one, it's just keep on changing color, so it's hard to actually track the light level. So these are some Japanese craft shops, which of course they're closed now because it's past like 10:30. But during the day, I think they open around 8. I can't remember now. With some shops in the main airport open at 8. So I'll have a separate video or later. Oh no, they open at 10, close at 9. So hopefully I will put some footage together with the shops being open, so you can have a look. So it's like restaurant sittings, blah blah. But yeah, people are still doing that earlier. So we keep on walking. So a lot of advertisement for the hotel and the spa, which I think if you stay at the premier one, it is free access. Otherwise you have to pay to go in. I haven't checked out how much you need to pay yet. I mean, it's kind of a short and long walk. It's not like a medium long walk, because I thought like after a flight, usually when you saw the airport garden, you thought you're already there. You're just dying to go to the hotel, check in, and have a lie down. But that's not the case. This is a Lawson's. I thought of going in to get a bottle of tea, but it seems that it is pretty full at the moment. I'll come back later. So this is a Lawson. I think Lawson is 24/7. these are more shops and restaurants, which they all closed at the point. Now we can see the hotel Villa Fontaine up here. So we walk through this set of glass door. If you have luggage, you take the elevator on the left. This is the elevator on the left. And this is where you go to the spa. And then if you have no luggage like me at the moment because I've already checked in, we just go up the escalator. You can see it's very dark out there. So I'll see whether I can take some videos of the hotel during the day instead of the night. But I just want to capture how to get here before I forget about it, because as I said, after a long flight you just want to be crashing in at the hotel and take some rest. And of course a hot shower would be good. And this is where you check in. You can either use the kiosk, use your passport to check in at the kiosk, and then some people come and help you. So far in our case, the kiosk was having problem at recognizing our booking, so we're lining up. But then a staff member came over and just helped us check in through the kiosk. So apparently there's a particular way of putting in certain names and stuff. So that's about it. I hope this video you find it helpful, and if you like it, please give me a like, comment and share. I'll talk to you next time. Oh, no. Before that is the entrance to the premier part of the hotel. Okay, that's all. See ya. Bye.